Evacuate now! Tourists scrambled their way out of the Grand Canyon after two powerful weather systems unleashed a torrent of rain.
Everything got washed away.
Some sought high ground as flash floods turned streams into rivers, stranding campers.
Those people can't get over.
Shelby Weiss and her mom Sherry found themselves caught up in the drama.
Mom!
What?
We have to evacuate! Look, those are not waterfalls. That is water coming over the top of the cliff. Oh my God.
It was definitely one of the scariest things I've ever been through in my life.
It's supposed to be a trail and it is a river.
It took place in a popular tourist destination known as the Havasupai Reservation. Normally it looks like this, an oasis, paradise on earth. But this scene of beauty quickly became a danger zone.
Oh my God.